Usually we have quite diverse work activities, but the seeding season is coming up, so that means we're preparing a lot and sitting a lot on the tractor. Seeding season is normally around April and somewhere till June or something. So then you're only sitting on the tractor, like seeding, obviously. But usually we're doing fencing, checking the cattle, mustering, all kinds of different activities. But yeah, now it's a lot sitting on the tractor. It can be boring sometimes. In the beginning it was quite fun because you have to get used to it, and it's like, yeah, it's new, so it's kind of exciting, it's adventurous, it's cool, it's awesome. But now, yeah, it's kind of boring. It can be quite noisy. I don't know if you can hear it, but lots of beeps and lots of noise because it's a machine. And even if I turn the aircon on, I don't know if you can hear it. It's like even more noisy. And I like peace and quiet, you know. But yeah, I can't complain actually, because working outside with 40 degrees is not quite fun as well sometimes. So a bit of that, a bit of this, that would be nice. But yeah, after seeding season, hopefully we get that back. So yeah, this is usually my day, and I think Joey's as well. Not sure if he's filming right now. I've asked him to do that because it's fun for you guys to see how a normal day looks for us. So yeah.
Today I'm driving on the 600 horsepower quad track tractor, which is a beast of a machine. It's basically like a tank, and I'm cultivating the land at this stage. So yeah, we have to sort of plow it so all the moisture can get into the soil before we start seeding. And yeah, it's just a massive tractor. As you can see, we use GPS with auto steer, so you see the lines. Those are basically the lines the tractor follows. I don't have to steer at this stage. I only have to steer once I am at the end of the paddock, and then turn around to follow the next line. So yeah, that's basically what's happening here. So this is the machine I'm towing. So you can see the difference between the lines that I did and that I set up to do. And yeah, that's my job for today.
Next week we will take you like through the whole week. If it's too boring, if it's like doing only sitting on a tractor, it's not quite interesting to see. But we will try to take you wherever we can and show you like most of our daily routine. So you get a bit of an insight how our life on the farm is, and how working abroad, like mainly in Australia, on a working holiday visa is. We have to do our farm days for 6 months, obviously. If you do 6 months of regional work, like farm work, we can extend our visa with another year, like our 3rd year. This is our 2nd year already. Last year we did 3 months, or we had to do 3 months of farm work, but because of COVID we did it longer. We ended up doing farm work for 6 months on the station and then 3 months somewhere else, but that was mainly because of a good pay rate. So yeah, that's that. It's not bad, to be honest. Sorry, I have to focus. Always when turning, I have to focus, and then it's on auto steer, and then it's all fine again. But yeah, so we have to do farm work, and it's not bad. I mean, it's nice to be outside like a lot usually, and bit too quiet because we have to drive far for the supermarket and all that. You don't see lots of people, so gathering is quite hard. But yeah, you have some pros, you have some cons. And I think that's with every job, you know? Alright, we're back.
Yes.
Woo, now we are finally weekend. We're gonna have lunch now. And then we will clean the house to give you a house tour. It's not that big, but
I'm too big for this camera.
too tall. Ta-da! That's better.